Timestamps are in the description if you want to skip to the consumption unit kilometers per liter. We are going to cover how to get the cost per mile or kilometer and the cost for X amount of distance. With a quick Google search, we can see that the average fuel consumption for relatively new cars is 25 miles per gallon, and the price for petrol is $3.10 per gallon as of this date. We can rewrite units like so to make the calculations more sense visually. You can then rewrite 25 miles per gallon like so, and the same with $3.15 per gallon. Remember, per means division. Let's write these fractions next to each other like so. Take the inverse of the 25 miles per gallon fraction just by switching the top and bottom. The reason for the inverse is that the unit gallons cancel each other out like so. You can replace the gallons by 1. Now multiply the two fractions, and now you have the cost per mile, which is $0.124 per mile. I'm going to keep the number of decimals as 3 so that our future calculation is more accurate. Now, let's say you drove 50 miles and you want to calculate the total cost of that trip. Write the price per mile down and next to it the total distance traveled, which is 50 miles over 1. The unit miles will cancel each other out, and now 0.124 multiplied by 50 is 6.20. So the total cost of the trip is $6.20. Here is that amount in British pounds and 50 miles in kilometers. We are going to do the same with kilometers per liter. The average in South Africa is 10 kilometers per liter, and the price for petrol as of today is 23 Rand and 29 cents per liter, also in South Africa. Rewrite the two expressions like this, and you can take it further by rewriting them as fractions. Rewrite these two fractions next to each other and take the inverse of the 10 kilometers per liter. Doing so will make the unit liters cancel each other out when you multiply. Now multiply the two fractions and you will get 2.329 Rand per kilometer. Yet again, I'm going to keep the 3 decimals to make the future calculation more accurate. So let's say you drove 75 kilometers. What will the total cost be for the petrol? Write your currency per kilometer as a fraction, then multiply it by the distance, which is 75 kilometers. The unit kilometers will cancel each other out. Then 2.329 multiplied by 75 will give you your total cost, which is 174 Rand and 68 cents. Here is the cost in American dollars and the distance in miles. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching.